Our home it's really different actually, because when you walk in, you've got that beautiful heat straight away, constantly. It really has kind of changed our life in a way, hasn't it? We've got no more of those horrible drafts. We don't need to wear hoodies in the house. A couple of colleagues had said to me about retrofits. We knew nothing about it, did we?
No.
And we just wanted to know a little bit more about this one-stop shop that we've been hearing about.
Take all the headaches away from the homeowner. We're there from the very start, from the grant application straight through to the design, and we carry out all the works.
We do not have the time to fill in a million forms. And they do all that for you. And that was a real kind of like, oh my goodness me, because a lot of grants these days, you have to pay it up front and then you get the money back. And that really enabled us to be able to do it. I don't think we would have been able to afford it if we would have had to pay the full amount.